Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will explain about how to factorize a quadratic expression. Okay, let's start. So here, okay, I will show you a simple step. Yeah. Now this is x squared, right? So we focus first is here, number 1. Here is number 2, and last one is in the middle. So now the first one is x squared. That means you have to put x here and x here. Alright, so now 10, that means you have to start 1, you have to list down all. 1 times 10 equals to, and then equals to 10, right? So 2 times 5, that means is 10. Okay, now we have the factor numbers. Okay, so 1 and 10, 2 and 5, but we have to check which one we have 7. Okay, so 1 plus 10, okay, this is number 2. We want to find, we have to list down. Okay, so here is number 3. We have to check which one we have 7 here. So 1 plus 10, so we have 11. 2 plus 5, we will have 7 here. So now we take this, okay, the second one, so we have to put factor 5 here and 2 here. Okay, so if you check here, both are positive, so we put here plus and here also plus. Okay, all right, now the next one. Okay, so the next one, I give you x squared plus 8x and plus 15. Okay, so this is the first one, second one, and the third one. Okay, so the first one, x squared, that means we have to put x here and x here. Now we have to list all the possible value for 15. So that means 1 multiplied with 15. So 3 times 5. Okay, so now this is the second one. Okay, so the last step we have to check. Okay, 15 you plus with 1, you will have 16 here. This one, the last one, we have to check number 8 here. Yeah, okay, so 5 plus 3, you will have 8. Okay, why I plus? Because all the sign inside here are plus. Okay, so we have 8, okay, here. So we take the factor 3 and 5. So since we see here all the positive signs, so we put plus and plus. Okay, so I list down here positive and positive, you will have positive. Negative and negative, you will have positive. Positive, negative, you will have negative. Negative, positive, you will have negative. So you look here, positive, positive, so all positive. Yeah, all right, now okay, I leave it signed here. Okay, so now let's say I give you y squared plus 15y plus 36. Okay, so you put here y and y, so list down all the possible value for 36. So 1 times 36, and then we have here 2 times 18, and we have here 12 times 3, and we have 6 times 6. Okay, this is all the possible values for 36. Now we settle for the second step. Now the last one, we have to check which one, when you plus these two factors, you have 15. So 36 plus 1, you will have 30 plus, yeah, you have to plus here 37. So 18 plus 2, you will have 20. So 12 plus 3, you will have 15. Okay, so that means we have to take this value. So the factor is 12 and 3. So you see here all the possible, all the positive signs. So this is positive and positive. Okay, so next one. Okay, I give you z. Okay, z squared plus z minus 6. So that means Square means you have 2z. Okay, so now you check here. List first. 1 times 6 equals to 6. 2 times 3. Okay, now, okay, so we have to check which one, when we plus, we have here. No, not plus, minus, because we have minus here. Okay, so 6 minus with 1, that means will be 5 here. Okay, so 3 minus with 2, you have 1. So we take this value. So the factor you put here is a 2 and 3. So the sign plus and negative, right? Okay, but our in the middle number, in the middle terms is positive. So the biggest number you put positive, the small number you put negative. Alright, because here I show you 3. So positive 3, when you minus with 2, you will have positive 1. See? Okay, next. Okay, so x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, now you list down first x and x. Okay, right? Sorry, you put x and x. Now you have to list down 16, the possible value for 16. So 1 times 16 is 16. So 2 times 8, 16. What else? 4 times 4, 16, correct? So now, you look at here, okay? Here, sign is a positive. So that means this sign is negative times negative, correct? Okay. Now, so we take here. Why we take here? Because when negative 4, you plus with negative 4, you will have negative 8. See, same, right? So we have 4 here and 4 here. Okay. Okay, one more. All right. Y square minus 3y minus 28. Okay. So put y first in the bracket, 1 here and 1 this side. So list down all the possible value for 28. So 1 times 28 will be 28. What else? 2. Okay, 2 times 14, you have 28. 7 times 4, 28. Okay, so I think we can check here now. Okay, look at here. So now, okay, minus, right? So we take here. If 7 minus 4, we have 3. 14 minus 2, we have 12. So we can take this value. So the factor 7 here and 4 here. Alright? So now, since here in the middle terms is a negative, so that means the biggest number you have to put sign negative, positive. Alright? Okay, next. Give you b square minus 4b minus 21. So you put your b first. Okay, settle your b first. Okay, now list the 21. So 1 times 21 equals to 21. No in multiplication 2, 21. So that means is a 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, look, we stop here because 7 minus 3, we will have 4 here, correct? So that means it's correct for this value. Put first the factor 3 and 7. Okay, so now look at the sign here. Okay, here this is negative. So like I said before, right? I said for the big number you have to put negative sign. For the small number you have to put positive sign. Then you will have negative 4, because negative 7 you plus with 3, you will have negative 4. So it's correct. Okay? Okay. Next. Okay, let's say I give you this kind of questions, x squared minus 9. Alright, how to do it? Because normally we have 3 terms, right? But here we only have 2 terms. So for this question first, you have to put like this. So 3 square, correct? So you have to put, okay, either one you have to put plus, okay? So now this is x and this also x. So this is 3 and here also 3. So you have to put 1 plus, 1 minus. Okay, let's check. Is it correct or no? So x and x, you will have x square, right? So x and 3, you have negative 3x plus, plus 3x plus minus, you will have negative 9. So in the middle, see? Negative 3x plus 3x, that means 0. So you will have x squared, negative 9. See? So it's correct. Okay, remember the sign for these kind of questions, you have to put 1 plus, 1 minus. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, I give you here is x squared minus 16. Okay, so that means it's x squared minus, same number when you multiply you have 16, that means 4 square. Okay, so this kind of question you have to put 1 plus, 1 minus. So here x, 4 square, that means you have 2 4, alright? So 1 4 here, 1 4 this. Alright? Okay, last question. Okay, so if I give you here x squared minus 64, okay, so that means x squared. Same number when you multiply you will have 64, that means is a 8 square. So this kind of question, 1 minus, 1 plus, you put 1x here, 1x here, so here will be 8 and here also 8. Okay, alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so I will upload more video for in the future, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.